Good morning students. Welcome back to your English conversation online class. Today I will be teaching you chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Making Offers. First let us understand the meaning of offer. What is the meaning of offer? Offer means to present something to be accepted or rejected. Now suppose you and your friend are sitting in a park and you are eating an ice cream and you want to make an offer to your friend to have a bite of your ice cream. So how you will make that offer? We are going to learn that in this chapter. You can offer things or help to others by saying, do you want XYZ? Now, do you want anything? It can be help, it can be a thing. Okay, so this is the correct way to offer a thing or a help to someone. How? By saying, do you want whatever the thing or the offer is. Now, if you want to accept the offer, now if suppose your friend is offering you an ice cream and you want to accept, you want to have the bite of an ice cream, you may say, yes, please. So to accept the offer, you can say, yes, please. And if you don't want to accept it, now you don't want the bite of that ice cream, so you may say, no, thank you. So if you want to accept, you say, yes, please. And if you want to reject, you may say, no, thank you. Now why do we use these words like please and thank you? We use these words to be polite to others. Alright? We can simply say no if you want to reject an offer, if we don't want to accept an offer. But by adding thank you, you are being polite to others. Look at the following conversation and learn how people make offers and respond to them. Now there are some conversations given and we have to read those conversations and see that how people make offers and how they respond to them. So the first conversation is between a mother and a son. So what does the mother offer? See, mother says, do you want some more juice? Now I told you if we wish to make an offer, first we say, do you want? And then whatever thing we want to offer, we add that. So the mother says, do you want some more juice? So, like I told you, if you want to accept an offer, you say, yes, please. So the son responds, yes, please. I love it. The son says that, yes, please, I want some more juice because I love it. So this is the correct way to make an offer and this is the correct way to respond to an offer. Now, second conversation is between a father and a daughter. Now, father makes an offer to his daughter by saying, do you want one more carrot? So now daughter refuses the offer. Daughter does not want to accept the offer. Daughter does not want to eat one more carrot. So how would she reply? How would she respond? She would say like, no, thank you. So she could have simply said no, but she has added thank you to be polite while rejecting the offer. So daughter says, no, thank you, I am full. So here you can see both son and daughter are also giving the explanation of why they want to accept the offer. Okay, son wanted some more juice because he loved it. And daughter says that no thank you, I do not want more carrot because I am full. I am full means her stomach was full. So now children, look at this exercise given on page number 55 in your books. Make offers to the people mentioned below. Do as shown in the example. Example, do you want my pen? So to make an offer, you first say do you want plus the things that you want to offer. So see, first one, to your friend, ask questions like this. Do you want? So if you want to make an offer to your friend, to offer them to have some water. So how will you say? You will say like, do you want some water? Similarly, do you want a cookie? Do you want a rubber? Do you want to sit near me? Now if you want to offer make offer to your mother, so you will offer like, do you want me to answer the phone? Do you want me to open the door? Do you want me to turn on the fan? Do you want me to turn off the TV? So these are the offers that you can make to your mother. Now to your brother and sister, ask questions like this. Do you want? So you can make an offer to your brother by saying, do you want some popcorn? Or do you want my doll? Do you want a new toy? Do you want a big ball? So these are the ways to offer things or offer help to other people.